Hey fellow rehabbers, it's Robyn Thompson, the Queen of Rehab, and I'm coming to you from sunny Florida. And welcome to 2019. I can't wait to be in Dallas on January the 10th, so Robyn told me to send you this quick video so you know what to expect for his nightly meeting for the DFW Real Estate Investors Club. I'm going to be there, and we're going to start the meeting about 6:30, and we're going to go till 9:30, and I've got 4 important topics I want to discuss with you on the night of the 10th, and then I'll get into more detail as I teach the all-day class on January the 12th. So here's the agenda. First thing I want to do is cover marketing strategies to find high-profit deals, because that was the biggest challenge that most of you faced in 2018. You weren't able to find enough good rehab projects. So we'll spend a lot of time discussing that. The next thing I want to do is teach those of you that are brand new how to get started with little or no money. We'll talk to you about the 5 ways to do deals if you've got a little bit of money to work with so you can get your rehab business up and going for 2019. The third thing I want to do is cover contractors and how to build a team of what I call the mature, grown-up adults. In my early years, I had handy Harrys who were paid by the hour. They tortured me to death. What I can tell you, my busiest year, I did 51 rehabs, spent a little over $2.1 million in renovation costs. That's the year I built the team of mature, grown-up adults who get it done on budget, on time, and more importantly, drop dead gorgeous look of the house so it sells really quick. We'll also talk a lot about wows and sexy sizzle features to put in a house to make it better than everybody else's on the marketplace. It's going to be a really action-packed night, and for you guys coming out on January 10th, the DFW Real Estate Investors Club, I want to give each and every one of you a CD called Renovating Creates Big Fat Checks. It's got a lot of information for you to listen to after the meeting to help your business in 2019. I'm also going to give away $1,500 worth of goodies while I'm there, so I can't wait to see you. And the meeting is going to be held at the Hampton Inn on 1600 Hearst Town Center, and that's Hearst, Texas. Again, it's going to be from 6:30 to 9:30. I look forward to helping you. I've done over 430 rehabs. I want to teach you as much as I can in Dallas while I'm there on January the 10th, so it's going to be a great meeting. We'll see you soon.